What up guys, it's Rome from Untitled Captain, and today I want to talk a little bit about the new toy on the block, the Captain's Musket. So I want to keep it nice and simple. Let's take a look and see what you get in the box and how to put it together. So it comes in this cool little, very well designed box here. We've got this stuff. So you've got here, we have the musket body. You've got a 90mm canister. We've got a little rubber O-ring, a male quick hose connector. We've got a female quick hose connector, a foaming nozzle, and if you're in the United States, we've thrown an extra male hose connector and an extra female hose connector. I'll show you how to use those in a moment. So, how to assemble the gun. You've got your 90mm canister, screw that into the bottom there. You've got the foaming nozzle, you've got the female hose connector, and those two go on the front. So screw the female hose connector on the front here like that. Give it a little nip up, and then grab the foaming nozzle, just pop that in there like that. Make sure it bites and clicks. You hear the little click on the end. And then this little rubber O-ring here, this pops into the base of the gun like that. You can leave that in there loosely, because when you grab the male hose connector, that's going to butt up into the bottom like this, and you're going to be able to push that seal all the way in. If you want to know how to use it and you want to see some demonstrations, you've got your little pamphlet that comes inside the box here, and we've got a QR code. You can scan that on your phone. It'll take you to our YouTube channel, and it will show you how to flush and wash anything that you need. We've got it all there on our YouTube channel, so take a look at that. Now, so that's pretty much it. You've got all of those bits. The best part of this device is the control is all in your hands. It's so easy. If you're washing the boat, like I said before, you've got your foaming nozzle. You fill this up with your soap formula. Forward for foam, middle for water, back for off. It's easy as that. If you're flushing your boat, take the hose connector off, back into the ski, again, foam, water, off. Simple as that. If you're in America, you guys are gonna have hoses that are a little bit different to ours here in Australia. So you guys have the screw version of these little brass. So normally you guys would connect this and screw that into the bottom of there. That's what we've got this for. So you take the female quick hose connector, screw that onto your brass fitting, like that, and now you have a quick connect hose connection. On, off. Super simple. And for this extra little male hose connector dude, this can go into the earmuffs of your outboard motor, or it can screw into the back of your jet ski, so you never have to screw your hose in or anything like that. And when you go to flush your personal watercraft, this is the jet ski, this is your flush device. Plug it in like that, switch it on and flush it. It's pretty simple, and then take it off when you're finished. But this stays in the jet ski at all times. You can leave it there. Alright, so now you should know what's inside the box. You should know how to assemble the gun. If you haven't already got one, jump over to www.saltycaptain.co and grab yourself one of these bad boys. Take a photo, take a video, tag us on social media, and let us know what you think. Peace.